Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the Sanai school system. I am your science teacher and today we will do question answers of chapter 3 part 2 invertebrates. But first of all we will learn our moral lesson, and moral lesson is love animals and take care of them, because animals are the beautiful, amazing and innocent creature of Allah, so we should take care of them. And today we will learn question answers of chapter 3 classification of animals, invertebrates, part 2. As we have read about vertebrates, that those animals which have backbone are called vertebrates, and invertebrates, animals which do not have backbone, are called invertebrates. They are classified into following groups. Protozoa. These are unicellular animal, means their body is consists of only one cell, and we can see them with the help of microscope, and we can see them with the naked eye, and they live in other organisms' body and get their food. Now sponges are there. They are multicellular organisms. They have porous body. Water can easily pass through the body of these animals, and they live in the sea water and sticking to the rocks in the sea. Corals. They mostly live in sea water. They have special cells to prey other organisms. Corals catch fish using swinging cells on their tentacles, and they stay fixed in one place. They can't move. Worms. Worms are segmented body, means they have pieces of their bodies, and worms are found everywhere. Worms do not have lungs, means they don't have lungs. They breathe through skin, means they don't have nose, they don't have lungs as we have, and they breathe through their skin. And examples: earthworm and bloodworm. Now insects are there. Insects are found everywhere, as we can see. Ants, bees, butterflies, these are insects, and the body of insects is covered with a hard layer that is called chitin. The hard layer of their bodies is called chitin. And insects have 6 legs. They have 6 legs, and the body of insects is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Mollusks. They are the largest group of sea animals. And they have hard covering shell around their body for their protection. Echinoderms. They are all found in seawater. They can regenerate their body parts, and these are found on sea floor. Examples: starfish and sea cucumber. Okay students, as we have revised and we have learned again, so we will do our workbook and we will do our question answers and fill in the blanks. First of all, we will do our fill in the blanks. Number 1, corals have special cells to prey other organisms. Which have special cells to prey other organisms? Corals. C-O-R-A-L-S. Corals have special cells to prey other organisms. Number 2, worms do not have lungs. Who do not have lungs? Worms. Worms do not have lungs. They breathe through skin. Worms do not have lungs. They breathe through skin. Worms. W-O-R-M-S. Worms. Earthworms are called ecosystem engineer. Who are called ecosystem engineer? Earthworms. EARTH, earth. WORMS, worms. Earthworms are called ecosystem engineer. Number 4, invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. As we have read again and again that invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. BACK, back, BONE, bone, backbone. Again we will revise. Corals have special cells to prey other organisms. Worms do not have lungs. They breathe through skin. Earthworms are called ecosystem engineer. Invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. Now, question answers are there. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define invertebrates and write at least 2 examples. That now we will tell about invertebrates, that what are invertebrates, and we all are aware that invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. Answer is invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. E.G. insects, worms and corals. What is the answer? Now revise with me. Invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. E.G. insects, worms and corals. Question number 2. Explain the basic types of worms. Explain the basic types of worms. Answer. Worms are segmented body animals. Worms are segmented body animals. They do not have lungs and breathe through skin. Worms are segmented body animals. They do not have lungs and breathe through skin. Segmented spells and spellings of segmented: SEG sig, MEN TED ted, segmented. Again SEG sig, MEN segment TED ted, segmented body animals. They do not have lungs and breathe through skin. Now third question is there. What is the body of an insect covered with? And I know you all are aware that what is the answer. And we have read again and again and again. Okay, again I am repeating the question. What is the body of an insect covered with? Yes, and the answer is the body of an insect is covered with a hard layer called chitin. CHITIN, chitin. The body of an insect is covered, COVERED, covered with a hard layer, LAYER, layer called chitin. CHITIN, chitin. Now science facts are there. Number 1, and these are really interesting and very informative. So number 1, blood is 6 times thicker than water. Blood is 6 times thicker than water. Number 2, the average human brain weight is about 3 pounds. The average human brain weight is about 3 pounds. Number 3, women's heartbeat is faster than men's. Women's heartbeat, whose heartbeat is faster? Women's heartbeat is faster than men's. The brain itself cannot feel pain. The brain itself cannot feel pain. Your brain is 80% of water. Oh my God. Your brain is 80% of water. Number 6, your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. The average person falls asleep in 7 minutes. The average person falls asleep in 7 minutes. I think students, I hope you all have enjoyed. So your diary is Learn Chapter 3 Workbook. Learn Chapter 3 Workbook.